This right here is a $50 no deposit bonus that I was able to get, and as you can see, I am currently trading with this account, right? And I believe in a few days I'll be able to make withdrawals from this account because it is a bonus that you can withdraw from. And in this video I will show you how you can get this bonus and how you can start trading with it, and also I will talk about the terms and conditions required for you to be able to withdraw from this bonus. All right, like I've been saying in my past videos that I'm on a journey of showing you guys how you can make money online in 2025. In the next 30 days I'll be dropping videos every single day for the next 30 days, and I've always been saying if you want to be a part of this project, all you have to do is to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss out on updates when I drop videos on how you can make money online. So if you haven't subscribed, or if this is your first time of coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss out when I drop videos on how you can make money online. So to get this $50 no deposit bonus is very simple. All right, let's dive into how you can get this done. So to get the link to this platform will be in the description. Just click on the link and it's going to direct you to something like this, and the first thing to do is to register an account with them. For you to register an account with them, all you have to do is to click on the sign up button right here. Click on sign up and it's going to direct you to something like this. You know the drill. Input every single details you need to input, and after inputting it, then you agree to these terms and agree that you are not a robot. After agreeing to this, then you click on register. All right, after inputting everything you need to input, ensure that this code right here is left untouched. Don't input anything right there, just leave it just as it is. Right, so agree that you are not a robot, and after agreeing, then you click on register right here and it's going to direct you to the next place. Okay, just click on okay, got it right here. Right, so the next thing for you to do now is to sign into the account, but before you can sign in, you have to confirm your email address. All right, so the next thing for you to do is to head over to your Gmail app and you find a message right there to confirm your email address. All right, so this right here is the email I got from them, and as you can see, it is writing in different language. So all I have to do is to click on this menu button right here and then click on translate so that I can understand what they are saying, and I'll click on this link to get myself verified. I'll click on it and it's going to direct me to another place that my account has been verified. All right, so I just have to wait patiently for this to load. All right, and while waiting, if you have not subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. As you can see, my account is currently getting verified, so I just have to wait patiently. All right, so this is me after my profile has been verified already. All right, this is my account after my email address has been verified. So the next thing for me to do now is to verify my profile to get approved. All right, so these are the steps for me to take before I can get approved. So all I have to do is to click on this right here and follow every single step. Right, so the first step is personal details. After inputting your personal details right here, you click on submit and it's going to direct you to the next thing, which is financial information. After inputting all of this as well, you click on next and you upload your documents. All right, so you upload your documents, and after you upload your document, this is, let me do this very quickly and I'll get back to the video. All right, so this is me after uploading all my documents, and as you can see, your profile has been verified. So the next thing for us to do now is to get the bonus. Right, after your profile has been verified, the next thing is to get the bonus. So you just have to go to the home page. All right, go to the home page and you have to create an account so that you can get the bonus right here. All right, right here to create an account with them is very simple. Right, so all you have to do is to scroll down right here and click on, as you can see, we have a demo account here of $10,000. So you have to click on add live account right here, and this is where you get to select your bonus. Right, so you select MT5, and the account type, you select regular account. All right, select regular account. The currency is USD, and then the leverage, select 100. Right, so after doing this, then you agree to this and then you click on open live account. So as soon as you open a live account, then the bonus will be credited into it automatically. All right, so as you can see right here, this is our $50 no deposit bonus. All we have to do right now is to check our Gmail, and our code, our login ID and our password would have been sent to our Gmail. So let me go there right now and log into my MT5 so that we can start trading. All right, so this right here is the message I got from them. and as you can see, this is my account number and my password has been blurred out for security reasons. So this is what I need to log into my MT5 so that I can start trading with you. So let me show you how you can log into your MT5 and start trading with this wonderful opportunity. Don't forget, the name of the server is 310 server. All right, so let's head over to our MT5 and start trading with this wonderful opportunity. So this is the name of their broker right here. Ensure you search for this, and after searching for this, then you click on it, and right here you select the server, 310 server, and you input your login ID and your password right here. All right, so you input your password right here and then you click on login. All right, so you have to wait patiently for it to load. All right, so as you can see, we have the $50 in our account already and we can start trading with it. All right, so you can start trading with this account. As you can see right here, you can start trading with it. So this is how I was able to get my own bonus, and I hope you're able to get yours. If not, let me know what's stopping you in the comment section. All right, and also as for the terms and condition, I'll be dropping the terms and condition in my Telegram community. Do well to make sure you join my Telegram channel so that you can know about the terms and condition required for you to be able to withdraw from this wonderful opportunity. Thank you so very much for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.